Another product we might come across often is the square of a difference. So here we have a difference, so a minus b, that's the difference, and we're squaring it. So if we were to go ahead for any two real numbers, a and b, and multiply this out, what this really means is we have a minus b used as a factor 2 times. So a minus b times a minus b. And again, we can use our distributive property or FOIL method, and a times a is a squared. A times negative b is minus ab. Negative b times a is minus ab. And negative b times negative b is a positive b squared. So if we combine our like terms, we end up with a squared minus 2ab. Okay, a, b are both like terms, so we're just going to add the coefficients. So we have 2 negative ab's, which is minus 2ab, plus b squared. So again, we have another formula for anything that looks like this. A minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So now, just like we did with the sum, or the square of a sum, let's look at some examples. So, example 2, we'll call this example 2a. So if we have x minus 3 squared, okay, this term is our a, and this term is our b. So we can plug those into our formula. So our first term should be a squared. Okay, well, since a is x, that must be x squared. Now our next term is minus 2a times b. So we have minus 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 3. And then our last term is plus b squared. So we have plus, and our b in this case is 3 squared. So we can simplify this. X squared minus 2 times 3 is 6, x plus 9. And this is the product of x minus 3 squared. We can look at another example. Let's get another page up here. So I'm going to rewrite at the top just so we have it to refer to. Our square of a difference formula was a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let's call this example 2b. So if we have 3x minus 5 squared, again, we have a difference and we're squaring it. So 3x minus 5 is a difference and we are squaring that. So we know we can use this formula up here. So again, just for clarity, let's identify that this represents our a and this represents our b. So we have our first term is a squared, so that's 3x squared. Our next term is minus 2 times a, which is 3x, times b, which is 5. Okay, notice it's not negative 5. My b is just 5 here. Okay, and then plus I'll have to add this down below. Our last term is b squared, so our b is 5, so we have 5 squared. And I'll rewrite all of that down here. So 3x squared is 3x times 3x, which is 9x squared, minus 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, 30x plus 5 squared is 25. So there is the product of 3x minus 5 squared. Now, look at the practice problems under example 2 on your worksheet, and again, check your answers when you've finished with the answers that are provided.